Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Inazuma 11 Victory Road game not launching, crashing, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So the very first method what you need to do is modify launch options. For that go to Steam. Now under library section select your game. Here I am showing you an example. After selecting the game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and see if it helps to resolve the problem. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, again come back, type -d3d11 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If not, next solution is to update your graphics card. So for that go to the Windows search over here, search for a device manager. Now expand the display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your graphics driver to the latest version. After that launch the game. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already given in the descriptions and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to search and select the game application. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, then here you have to select run this program as an administrator, then click on apply and OK. Now launch the game and see if it's working. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations and click on apply and OK, and after that try to play the game and see if you can play it. Next is to delete temp files. So this is an important step. What you need to do is simply press Windows plus R and here you have to type %temp%. Now click on OK, and here whatever temp files you are seeing, just you have to select them and simply click on delete option. So this will delete the temp files one by one. Now after deleting the temp files, check if you can play the game. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that go to Steam, under library section, right select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files, then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, launch the game and see if you can play it. Next method is to allow Inazuma 11 Victory Road through Firewall. So for that go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on Firewall and network protection, allow an app through Firewall, click on change settings and after that search for the game if it's listed. If not, click on allow another app, click on browse, then go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, you have to search for the game. Now after selecting, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that launch the game and see if it's working. Next method is to clear download cache. So for that go to Steam, now click on Steam option, then click on settings, then go below, click on downloads, and here you can see clear download cache option. Beside it clear cache option is available. Simply click on it and it will pop up this message where you have to clear the download cache and restart Steam, and after that log into Steam and then launch the game and check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that go through the link that I have provided in the description and paste it in a browser. Now after the website opens, go below and here you have to click on the link that is provided. After the link is downloaded, you have to click on it to install or repair. So if you are getting a repair option, simply click on repair option and wait for some time, and after that again restart your PC and launch the game and check if you can play the game. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option and this will check if any update is available. If yes, you have to update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game. Next solution is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any kind of antivirus program installed on your system, you are suggested to disable before you launch the game. After that you launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to install DirectX on your system. For that go through the link that I have already provided in the description and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below and here you have to click on download option and this will download the link. After downloading it, install DirectX on your PC, and after installing it, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, now click on Steam option, then click on settings, now go below, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is enabled. You have to click on it to disable it. After that, try to play the game. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, now click on general, then switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to search for the game. If not listed, you have to click on add a desktop app, and then go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, search for your game. After that, click on arrow icon, then under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after this launch the game and see if you can play it. Next method is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings, click on advanced, then click on change. Now here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After selecting the drive, now select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576, and after that click on set and then click on OK. Now launch the game and check if it's opening or not. If not, then the final method is to reinstall Inazuma 11 Victory Road game. For that, go to Steam. Now select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your system and again launch Steam and reinstall Inazuma 11 Victory Road game on your PC and click on the play button to check if it's opening or not. So going through this method will help you to fix crashing, not launching, not loading, black screen or other issues on Inazuma 11 Victory Road game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.